Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm finally doing an unboxing of Dark Perseus B680W for the bit for the CX Beyblade X CX. I'm actually really happy to get this. And actually, let me grab my TT version. But yeah. Let's get this unboxed. And yes, you get to see my other Hasbro stuff. I'm waiting for two more. It should be here tomorrow. Or whenever this goes up. So it should be here the July 9th. Okay. Okay, here's the little chip piece. The layer. They actually got the layer really good. And this piece with the QR code. And there you go. Okay. And here's the ratchet and the tip. Now let's put this together. And there we go. The Hasbro version, TT version, together at once. But yes, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.